there, how's it going? Today we're going to go over how to draw a sleeping My Little Pony, and it's going to be black and white. We're going to be using this Crayola brand marker. Really simple, really easy. It's for total beginners, so if you're a complete beginner at art, this is the place to be. If you're a kid, anything, I'm going to go through it step by step. Drawing lesson, let's do it. Sorry, I just ate oatmeal, and so I don't know, it's going down. Anyways, let us start with... This is gonna be just a general, My Little Pony character, very general. It's not gonna be anybody specific. Gonna draw is it unicorn? It's gonna be like a unicorn spike, and so just start. Basically, it's a cone. That's it. And that's gonna be the hair. You can get stuff close enough. It doesn't have to be exact. Bottom of the hair as well. Pulling up. Just going to be pulling up in one direction here. Ear. A little bit pointed. It's going to pull down as well into a circle. Front of the face. The front of the face is kind of buried into the hoof area, like the arm. It's gonna be right here. That's gonna be one hoof, and then the other. It's gonna be like sleeping. You'll see what I'm talking about. Don't worry. I'm gonna pull down the side of the face here. The hair is gonna keep pulling back here, and the hair is gonna come out the other side. Pull down this hoof. Leave a little bit because it's gonna be the back side of the arm. Then I'm gonna pull down. Pull over here to the front. Now I'm gonna go over to the other hoof. And pull up. It's gonna pull up into the rest of the arm of the front leg. Then throw the front, the back hoof is curled up. The hind leg is kind of curled up. And then the back side here pulls down. And that's going to pull down into the tail. And the tail's going to just kind of be out here. Think of it like as drapery almost, the tail. And a symbol. This is nobody specific, but I'm sure somebody's going to say this is something specific. Closed eyes, or that kind of U shape. Maybe a little bit of eyelashes at the end. And the horn. And that's pretty much it. Maybe even a little smile here. But that's it. You can do what I usually do, which is you can throw like lines there out of the hair area. Any hair areas, you can throw some lines. And then I'm going to draw a thick line on the outside, and that's just to contain the shapes on the inside. I've said it 100 times, I just like that look. I think it looks like a sticker of some kind. Just do it on the contour. And that's it. I hope you enjoyed that. I hope that was easy enough. I hope you follow along. If it was, if you're a big fan of My Little Pony, press the like button and also share the video. Sharing the video is probably the best possible thing you could do because it gets kind of the channel out there. I've had so many strong supporters and I appreciate it. So thank you so much, guys. And don't forget, there's a How to Draw Cute ebook in the description. The ebook is free for the moment being. I've had a lot of great feedback on it. It's 10 pages on how to make something cute proportionally. Made for beginners, pure beginners. All right, thank you so much, guys. Remember, that's free, and I'll talk to you next time.